about it.
I've never seen Friends. Well, I have kind of. So say something in the accent so I can know what to expect.
This is Janice's like signature thing. She comes into a room and she goes, "Oh my God," every time. Hi guys! Is that good? Is that good, babe? No, that's not good. It's gonna suck anyways. We're just gonna do it because it's gonna suck anyways. Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with James Charles.
Hi, Sister Janice.
In his beautiful mermaid form. And today we're gonna be doing just this simple makeup look for you. So follow along as I turn into myself and Jamesy here turns into a mermaid.
Use code James for 10% off.
Janice and James's Day of Fun!
Would you be any more nauseous?
Actually, hi guys. Today we're going to be just doing our makeup and we're going to try and stay in character. I'm doing Janice Litman from Friends, and this is my sister-in-law Parris, and she's doing James Charles, the YouTuber, in his mermaid form because he just did a really awesome mermaid YouTube tutorial thingy. So anyways, yeah, we're just going to try to transform ourselves into these iconic people and figured we'd let you get ready with us. So let's do this.
Let's do it.
I need more foundation because my pimples are popping.
Okay, so I need to look at how I did this because
The thing about Janice is there's nothing special about her makeup at all, which is kind of disappointing, honestly, because like I'm totally prepared to beat my face to the gods, but I don't need to because like she literally wears like mascara.
do Sister Janice on her wedding day.
You're right.
So sisters, today we're gonna be doing special effects on our neck. I've already done the face look.
As you can see.
So we're gonna do this little hole in my neck. I'm hoping that I'm not putting this on my neck for
what?
for nothing. I hope it works.
I think it will. You might have to finagle it a little bit. You'll be fine, sweetie.
Well, you know, I'm also using this wavy toilet paper, so
Oh yeah, I think about
James
that.
didn't do that.
I think if you conceal it enough, you'll be fine. I also don't know where my highlight brush is, which is probably the most tragic thing that's ever happened to me since birth.
So Sister Janice, what's been going on with you recently?
You know, just had another baby.
With who?
With my deaf husband.
Deaf? You have a deaf husband?
Well, he's most of the way deaf. See, that was country. That was a little country accent.
Wow.
I'm trying to fix my sister's schnoz to look like Janice's because hers is like really thin, but I look like a zebra, so.
We love a snatch sister.
I would just like to point out that I would say about 4 or 5 months ago, I did not own a single Morphe product. Now I have all of these.
She used code James for 10% off.
I did, actually. I actually did.
actually did.
Yeah.
We love a savvy sister.
Exactly.
Oh my God, my pearl just fell out on my lip. That's fine.
Oh, probably because you're talking so much.
I'll do it at the end. My hair's getting in there.
And now I have like Morphe brushes. Like I am a full-on Morphe hoe.
Okay, I'm just gonna let this dry. For a sister second.
Oh my goodness. You're actually good at that.
What, coming up with sister phrases?
Yeah.
Sister sayings?
Oh!
Wait, I need to perfect it. I'm just gonna say sister silent.
Wait, you do it and I'll just do the sound effect. Did you hear that? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I did it after.
2, 3.
I did it before.
3. There we go.
That was me. You believe God is a woman. Sister, that was so spooky.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sister sorry. Well, this is really tight, as supposed to be.
That's what she said.
Oh, good. Oh my God, look at my neck. It folded. Oh, there it goes.
We can't stand a wrinkly sister.
I'm sister sagging.
That's actually, oh my god, that's like making my stomach turn. That straight up looks like surgery.
These scissors are not very sister sharp.
Use tweezers. Use your tweezers and see if you can like pry it open. I don't know.
I did pry it open, but I need like scissors to cut it. It's thick.
Oh.
I'm sister stuck. Come on.
I'm just adding some lashes, which I feel like isn't necessarily necessary for Janice, but she's also like a gaudy lady, so I'm just gonna go for it. Because I feel like if she lived in, well, she's still alive, obviously, but I feel like if real Janice lived in the 21st century, she'd live in the 21st century. I'm just trying to shut up. You know what I mean, though? You know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
You know what I'm trying to say. I feel like if she was her age in Friends right now, she'd be like wearing some lashes.
Oh yeah, for sure. Now I need to draw on some sister scales. I don't have the hot glue, so I'm using.
You look how crusty, musty, dusty
Busty.
my hair is right now. Oh, good one. I appreciate the support. Sister support. So now I'm just crimping my hair. See, why?
Sister slay.
Oh my gosh, that's actually really cute.
Is it? Does it look
Yeah.
kind of realistic?
Yeah, they don't, like, if I looked at you, I'd be like, okay, yeah, fish scales, for sure.
Oh.
I love that. This is gonna take so long, I feel like. Actually,
Crimp
no.
your hair.
No, I think it won't take that long. I'm just complaining because I don't want to be doing it. I just want to be Janice already. Because I am Janice.
Hi.
Oh my god. Chandler! I smell children.
Sister sparkles.
The most important thing in my life, honestly.
Actually. This ain't half bad.
No, it's actually really cute. I like it.
Are you friggin' kidding me? They won't sister stick. I feel like I put in some solid effort for this.
Yeah, I'm proud. This is not nearly as all out as I normally go for Halloween. You know me. Last year, I handmade a costume to be Meg from Hercules. Handmade. Literally sewed it myself out of fabric.
Love that.
That's how
You got some
goals.
sister skills.
Literally.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I'll talk like the nanny. Mr. Sheffield!
You literally sound like a character from a cartoon.
I'm probably better.
I like that. That's literally gonna haunt me tonight, no joke. Okay.
I'm so spooked.
I literally get scared so easily, it's pathetic.
It looks good.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I need to get my costume on. Okay.
Well, we did not stay in character any of this video.
Yeah. Oh my god, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned because we've got a lot more fun videos coming to you. Make sure you follow all our social media links. They'll be in the down bar below, including James. Make sure you give it a like and you subscribe down below. And we'll see you in the next one, sweeties. Mwah.
Bye, sisters.
Oh my god. I love you, Chandler.
Could I be wearing any more clothes?
What are those?